Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're going to be installing our tailgate assist for the 07 to 18 GM 1500. I've got the kit laid out here. We've got our cylinder, we've got our tailgate side bracket, our bedside bracket, the mounting hardware, and additional hardware to install our riv nut. First, let's install our bedside bracket. All right, the bedside bracket's going to mount right here. We're going to remove this bolt that holds the tailgate strap on. We'll put the bracket in place and then reinstall the bolt. All right, now we're going to install the tailgate bracket. It's going to go right here, and we're going to use this existing hole. We're going to install a riv nut. Now once the riv nut's in place, we're going to compress it so that it pinches the sheet metal and holds firm. And to do that, we're going to use the supplied bolt and oversized nuts. We're going to slide the nuts onto the bolt, then we'll thread them into the riv nut. Once we get that finger tight, we'll put that into the hole and we'll tighten down on the bolt, compressing the riv nut. All right, now with a wrench, we're going to hold that first nut. Then we're going to take our ratchet and tighten the bolt down. What that's going to do is it's going to compress the riv nut and hold it firm against the sheet metal. Now we've got a secure point to mount our bracket. We'll put our bracket in place, then we'll take our button head Allen bolt, get it started by hand, thread it on in, make sure it's nice and tight. Now we're ready to install our cylinder. Cylinder simply snaps in place. We'll go 1 and 2. And that's all it takes to install our tailgate assist. In under 30 minutes, you can have a nice, easy, soft opening tailgate. For this and all your truck accessories, check us out today at roughcountry.com.